So exercise 3 problems, page number 109. So first problem is a body of mass is equal to 1 kg. It is moving with a velocity is equal to 30 meter per second, right, in northward direction. So this is east, west, north, south. Velocity of this, what is it, body in north direction is given. Assume v1 is equal to 30 meter per second. Next, a force of 10 newtons is acts towards west. This is force is acting towards west, 10 newtons. In time t is equal to 4 seconds. Then find the velocity of the body after force is ceases to act, resultant velocity. So due to this force, what is the velocity attained by this object? v2 we can find it. So therefore velocity is, according to Newton's second law, m into a. F is equal to m into a is nothing but v2 by time t. F is equal to 210, that is equal m. M is 1 into v2 velocity is, what is it, we can find by time 4. v2 is equal to 10 into 4, that is equal to 40 meter per second. Now the velocity is calculated 40 meter per second. Now what is the resultant velocity? Resultant velocity is, and also calculate the angle, right? Resultant velocity, it is equal to v1 square plus v2 square. Here v1 square is, okay, v1 square is, what is it, opposite side, that is 30 square plus 40 square, that is equal to 900 plus 1600, that is equal to 2500, is equal to 50 meter per second. Next direction, tan alpha is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So v1 divided by v2, v1 value is 30 divided by 40, that is alpha is equal tan inverse of 3 by 4. Direction is, what is it, west to north, north of west. So a force of F is equal to 20 newtons, okay, acted on a body of mass is equal to 5 kg, okay, which is at rest, that is u0. So what is the velocity after first one? What is the acceleration? Acceleration. Next, second one, velocity after 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Velocity if force ceases to act. Right. So these three questions. Third one, right? So this is body, mass is given, the force is given. Initially it is starting from rest. What is the acceleration? Acceleration according to Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. Therefore A is equal to F by m. Force is 20 divided by 5, 4 meter per second square. Velocity, velocity is equal to u plus at, starting from rest u0, 0 plus 4 into time 5, that is 20 meter per second. If velocity after force is ceases to act, that is uniform, same velocity, okay. Next, third one, a ball of mass, what is it, 400 grams. This is ball mass is what is that 400 grams. Convert into kgs, 4 into 10 power of minus 1 kg. Okay, it is dropping from height. H1 is equal to what? 5 meters. Onto this floor, the force, okay, imported onto this floor is equal to 100 newtons. Next, after impact with this floor, it is rebounds to height. H2 is equal to how much? It is 20 meter per 20 meters. The what is the time of force of impact? Okay, then force into time, that is equal to change in momentum. Therefore force value is 100, time impact value we can find, mass into final velocity minus initial striking velocity v1, right? So what is that? Direction is opposite, you can do plus. According to freely falling body equation, v square minus of a square is equal to as. Here u is 0, a is equal to plus g, s is equal to h. Therefore v is equal to root over 2g h. Therefore m into root over 2g h2 minus plus root over 2g h1. 100 into t. 100 into time t, that is equal to mass 4 into 10 power minus 1 root over 2 g value 10, height, rebounding height is 20 plus 2 into falling height is 10 into height is what is it? 5. Right. So therefore 100 into t, that is equal 4 into 10 power of minus 1 root over 2 to the 400 plus root over 5 to the 100. Therefore 100 into t is equal 4 into 10 power of minus 1 into 20 plus 10. Therefore 100 into t is equal 4 into 10 power of minus 1 to 30. 0 0 get cancelled. Okay, so otherwise this 0 get cancelled. T is equal to 2. 4 3s are 12 divided by 100. 12 divided by 100, 0.12 seconds. Right. In నిమిషాలు a batsman deflects a ball at an angle, what is that? 60 degrees. The batsman, okay, here this is vertical. Batsman deflects this ball, angle, what is that? 60 degrees. Next, momentum is equal to initial momentum, that is equal to theta based component mv cos of theta. This is mv sin theta. After striking, then mv final momentum, that is equal to mv cos of theta. This is mv final momentum, mv sin of theta. What is the change in momentum in horizontal direction? Final momentum minus of initial momentum. Therefore 2mv cos theta. Therefore 2 into m, mass. Mass of the ball is given, that is 0.15 into velocity of the ball striking is given cos of 60 degree. Therefore, okay, so 2 into, okay, 0.15 into 20 into cos 60 1 by 2 hence. Next, so therefore 2 into 1.5, therefore 3 joules. Sorry, Newton second.